everyone. Today I am repairing the Growart SPF 5000 TL HVM. Okay, and the fault is 03 and 08. 03 fault is related with battery voltages as too high, and the fault 08 is related with the bus voltages is too high. Okay, so let's get started. First we need to empty box bar screws and nuts, hooks, much more. Okay, and this is the model. Okay, Growart SPF model name SPF 5000 TL HVM. First I need to provide a power supply to show you a faults event or faults code. We have two faults in this inverter. Okay, now I am just providing the power supply to the inverter. Okay, now the inverter is turned on, and this time I need to zoom in. Okay, first we need to set on user define, because here we have in lithium, and I have a lithium bank and everything, but we have a faults in this inverter. As you can hearing fault 08, and the fault 20 is just for communication, and we have a fault 03. Here is 120 volt DC. The inverter was shown. Okay, and now you can check the DC provided voltages. Now I need to zoom out. Okay, and just check. First I need to turn on again the inverter. Okay, and this is the voltages 48.6 in real time, and the inverter is showing 120 volt. Okay, first of all we need to check the setting, because someone can set this. So press up and down key at a time for 2 seconds. Why? Okay, first I need to set this, and I think the buttons are not connected. So first I need to remove the top cover from this inverter. Okay, CER334, hello, what's that? This is the solar inverter, solar hybrid inverter. Okay, and they can provide electricity from solar energy to you. And first I need to find this live. Hello, how are you everyone? But just once I need to find my live. stream what's going on in camera, but the live where. Okay. Okay, first I need to remove the top core from this inverter to connect this switches panel. Cassie ER Cassie underscore ER334. Where are you from, brother or sister? I don't know about the gender, but where are you from? Okay, first I need to remove the power. Okay, here we have two more screws to remove. Oh man, it's okay. And now you need to remove this cover from this right side. Okay, here we have a seal. First I need to remove this seal. Sorry. Okay. The buttons are not working in this inverter. And why? Okay, first I need to provide a power and check why the buttons are not working, our switches are not working. First I need to reset this inverter, but the buttons are not working, so now I need to check this manually, as the issue in the buttons are the issue in my microcontroller and work. So this is our enter button, and now I am just shunt this, but the inverter buttons sitting not working. So now I need to connect this with the lithium ion and the communication and everything. So first I need to connect my lithium bank or lithium battery. Okay, I connect my lithium battery. Now I need to connect this with battery, and first I connect this. I was connect this with the power supply, with the bench power supply. So now I need to connect this with the lithium battery. Okay, now I'm just connecting my temporary power cables to just connect the communication with the lithium battery. Okay, now I connect with the lithium, but now I not connected the communication cable. So if you have a issue to communicate this inverter, so you can communicate with this like this cable. This is the cable model, I think YO, but okay, my phone warned me to charge. Okay, first I need to connect the charger to my phone because I am live from my phone. Okay, so this is as you can see the white wire on the first, here first, orange second, it's called, I think, 1 to 1. Okay, it's same direction. So you need to connect in the BMS and the inverter, and you need to connect this other side in the battery RS 485 port. Okay, I connect, and now I need to turn on again, and as you can see the bars is show now, but we have still a fault 03. Okay, and this is the battery voltages, inverter showing 120 volt DC, but in the real time we have just a 1448.5 some. Okay, but our inverter setting button is not working to reset this. So after that we need to check about this. Okay. Okay, first we need to. Okay, first we need to remove the strip. Okay, so the best matter is that you need to keep this top cover on this position, and after that we have a glue. Okay, and the best thing are this, because this is another type glue, not melting with the hot air. Okay, and after that I need to install another top cover just to confirm we have an issue in our button PCB, or we have an issue in this control drive card. So okay, just wait for this. I am removing another top core from other inverter. Just check. Okay. So first, this is the Growwatt SPF 3000. First, I need to check the LCD model. Okay. Yes, the model is same. I can install this. So this just for confirm this issue. Okay, and after that I need to hold because this is the 3000 TL top core. Okay, we have a issue in our control drive card. Okay, because the inverter is not going on setting. So this thing is confirmed. Okay, we have not an issue in this. Okay, Okay, now we need to deassemble the board, deassemble the inverter. Okay, first I need to rotate my camera with my best position. Okay, and now this is the best position. Okay, now we need to remove this hooks, okay, and this wire. First we need to remove this nuts. This is the 7 mm nut. Okay, 7 mm nut. Keep all the screws, nuts, hooks, washers in one box. Okay, and don't worry about this. Here is the tags. Okay, black, we have black. Here is the tag. Red, we have red. Here is another tag. Red, we have a red. And here is another tag. Black, we have a black. Okay, okay, fold this, remove, and carefully fold. Okay, this is the flexible wires, and after that we need to remove this plastic hooks with this tool. This is the best tool for removing this type of hooks. Okay, okay, I remove all the plastic hooks, and now I need to remove this two screws. It's okay. Now we need to remove this air ventilation core. Okay, and don't through this. Some people are removing this from inverter, and this is the special thing to cool the inverter. Okay, now first I need to remove these screws, and after that I need to clean with the air blower. Okay, but first I need to remove. Here we have two screws, one here and the one is here. Okay, and the one is here and the one is here, and this two screw for connection PV input. Okay, and here we have two screws for charge negative and charge positive. And after that we need to remove this one strip for SCC. Okay, and this is the MPPT. So you need to cut this rubber glue RTV. Okay, cut carefully like this. Okay, and now push the hook man. Okay, you need to push this hook. Okay, and after that, okay, we have another screw here. Okay, and now easily remove the MPPT solar charge controller, and now I need to fall down this all does and this inverter. Okay, with this soft brush. Okay, because after that I am cleaning all the inverter. Okay, but first, okay, that's okay, man. Keep this on the safe area. Okay, here I am alone. I can keep on everything because here I am alone and just operating at myself, not anyone here without me. Okay, and after that we need to remove this. Okay, and this strap, push the hook. Okay, keep on the safe area. And here, as you can see, okay, we need to clean after the repairing. Now you need to down your phone volume because a lot of noises is starting. Okay, down your phone volume. Okay, I clean the inverter. Okay, as you can see, now how we can deassemble this. I'm teaching you. Okay, first we need to remove this. This is the 10 mm nut. Okay, and this is the 10 mm nut driver. If you want to remove completely this back core from this inverter, and this is the necessary to safely remove this board, so you need to remove this. Check carefully. Okay, and after this, here we have output neutral. That's okay. We need to remove this screw, and here is okay. Here is the output line. Okay, take care about this. Don't touch with this control drive card. First, I need to remove the control drive card because we can any mistake in removing the board. So first, we need to remove this sensitive control drive card. Okay, here we have a glue. So first we need to cut this carefully. Okay, and now we need to cut this. Take care about the wires. Okay, and your fingers. And now I need to push. Okay, and okay, now you can remove this with these irons. Oh man, okay, and I think we have an issue in this control drive card, but now this is not confirmed. Okay, first we need to remove the board. Okay, keep on the safe area. Now you don't need to take much more for everything. Okay, this is the output line, and here we have a grid neutral or AC input neutral. You can call both. Okay, in some countries you can call grid neutral, and some country input neutral. Okay, and here we have a grid neutral and grid line. Okay, the brown for line and the blue for the neutral. Okay, and now we need to remove this span strips. Okay, and don't care about this if you install this in this or this in this. Okay, sorry, but nowadays my health is not good. Okay, after that we need to remove these two strips, and this is the same. Okay, don't worry about this. Okay, I think this is the good with the fingers, this type of tweezer I'm trying. Okay, this is good. After that, we need to remove this back. Okay, so we have one screw here. Okay, where is my screwdriver? Here. Okay, you need to remove this one screw. Okay, and we have another one screw here. Okay, so we need to remove this. It's hard. I need to remove it. Oh, I think this is slipped. In this case, we need to remove this type of screw like this. This screw is not removing. Okay, so one thing you have to drill this, and one thing you have to attach this, because the screw is not removing. The screw is not removing. It's hard to remove. As you can see, the screw is rotating but not removing. So in this case, how the best what the best method for this, because this is not removing. First I am trying this with other method. I need to keep on another side something to pull up on this side and push from this side. Okay, this is not working. And first time I am facing with this problem. This is the first time, and this inverter I receive this type of screw, and this is not coming for removal. So the one thing I have to drill this, I am trying this side, but I can't show in the camera. I am attaching this to push from this side, and I need to remove with another thing, because when we applying a force from this direction, so this is not good. We need to just rotate, not apply the force. Okay, I am trying on this mechanism, but still I am applying the force. So I need another screwdriver to fit in this, and don't need to force on this direction. Okay, I hope you understand. No, I think I get some space like 0.2 mm. Yes, I can attach now this tool. Oh man, it's very hard. Finally, I need to drill this. Okay, and the solution we have now just to drill this. So how you can drill this carefully? Okay, and it's a little bit hard to show on camera, but I am trying to show and drill together. Okay, so first I need to install a best drilling tip bit. This is not good for this. The one thing, you can grind this, you can engrave this, but I have a solution for this. To remove this head with this tool. Okay, and now I'm just checking the diameter. This is not enough for this, and now I'm just, and this is not. Now I have a big drilling bit to drill this head. Okay, this screw head. Take care, okay, when you are using a drill. Okay, after this I need to install a little or this drill bit to completely crash this screw. Okay, finally I drill the screw. Okay, and we need to again install, and we can install. Okay, so after that I'm showing you everything. Okay, what I does. Okay, I need to just keep all the drill bits and think on the time. Okay, after that you need to remove this circuit breaker. Okay, so here we have a 13 nut on this. Sorry, this is the 13.5, I think. Why? When I attach the 14 so it's a little bit loose. Okay, so now I need to measure this. I have over near one. The 13 is not set. The 14. Yes, man, this is the 14 completely the 14 So the reason is that my wrench is very old. Okay, so this is the 14 Okay, okay, now push this breaker, okay, like this, and after that pull up this, okay, carefully. Here we have some strips, okay, and you can remove completely this. And now look, this screw I drill, and now how we can remove this. Okay, first I'm trying on this on anti-clockwise. Okay, and the screw is coming out. Okay, and after that I'm just trying with diffuser on anti-clockwise, because this is the first thing we need to remove this. If I install and if we have a this remain screw, so this is not good. And when I completed drill, so I can damage this. So I need to remove this with best method, and the method I have one other. So first I need to remove this body. And this is the good thing for mechanical works. Okay, this is the mechanical works. So first I need to attach this with something. Okay. Yeah, I have clamp for this situations. Okay. Don't worry about. Okay. And doing very carefully. Just to hold this core. Okay, now we have a one easy solution. Okay, and the solution is that if you have a loose screw, okay, so just wait, I am getting a little piece of copper wire. Okay, this is the piece of copper wire. Now I am just trying to solder this. Note, man. Okay. First I need to solder just the screw, okay, and after that I need to solder this copper wire, okay. And now I need to make like a key, and I am removing this on anti-clockwise. Come man. Oh, this is the rotating but not coming. And if I on this side, oops man. So what the typical thing. Okay, I am attaching some solder more to make a tape. It's okay. Now I am just trying to remove this. Oh man, this method is well. No, I'm just trying on this. It's very hard. Finally, we lost our solder connection. Now, I'm just trying with this. Okay, I need finally to try because the screw is not coming. This case, I have a little drill, and you need to drill this with CNC drills, drill bits. Okay. Not the special case come in live in electronics. I don't know about this. This is a difficulties. Okay. First, I need to install a CNC drill bits, and this is very hard. But if you does a little mistake, it's can broken. Okay. Okay. Now I'm just limiting the drill bits, and after that it's okay. Now I'm just drilling to create a little hole. Okay. I need to do this oil. When you are facing a difficulties, so use this machine oil. Okay, first I need to decrease my drill speed. Okay, the drilling is going on, but very slowly. The screw is very hard. Okay, I need to a little increase my drill speed. Okay, I increase. Okay, after that we can drill this with big drill bit. Okay, but first you need to approximately 1.5 or 2 drill with micro drill bit. Okay, and on the time remove this drill bits because I was broke some, but I have a lot of this type of bits. Now I need to install this size. This is 2.5 drill bit. Okay, you need to use a less than drill bit from the screw diameter. We have a screw diameter 3 as you can see, 3 we have the screw diameter, and we have a drill bit 2.5. Okay, and today we need to do mechanical works. Yes, man. It's okay. This I'm using a drills from last 21 years. Ah man, sorry. Finally, finally, with the help of drill, I receive, and now I need to show the condition of internal side. What work I does? Is this the good or not? First I need to clean this. Okay, now I need to clean this. So this is the pig. First I need to remove the cotton. Okay, the cotton, and after that I need to push with other tool to clean this. Okay, as you can see. Okay, now I need to check this with screw. And my health is not good in this. That's because here is a full winter. Oh man, no. Yes, as you can see, our thing is okay and coming out. Okay, so we save this thing. Okay, I need to add this two screw new. Okay, I am throwing this in the scrap because okay, and I was add two new screw in this box. Okay, sorry for this mechanical works, but this was my necessary. Why? If I install this and after that very hard to remove. Okay, now this topic is closed. Okay, let's back to the topic. We have on this board 11 screw. Okay, always, but on this time I don't know if a person works and I don't, but I remove a seal at myself, so we need to remove 11 screw. One, okay, this is the one. This is the two. Okay, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, and I think here we have, this is the 11. Okay, 11 I remove, and I think no any screw we have now. So now the good method is that first we need to remove the power button strip, and after that attach your finger. Okay, but you need to do some weight for here because at the bottom side we have a double-sided tab, but this is not the double-sided tab, this is the thermopad with double-sided tab properties. Okay, so just apply some pores with your fingers and you need to wait for full out. Okay, don't remove this. Okay, some people are removing this MPPT charging inductors. Okay, but I am telling you why they are removing this. When I receive, here's the weather is very cold, so I need to provide some hot air. Okay, around 100 degrees centigrades to a little heat because the temperature is here very low. Now the 13 degrees centigrade here. Okay, now I need to check. I wait some more time. Why? We have no any screw as the board is faulted with another thing. From here, first we need to move the board. To confirm this, the board is moving to everywhere. Okay, it's mean our thermopad is very hardly attached with the body. Okay, so here we have thermopad here, so I need to install, so sorry, to provide heat to this area. Now I'm trying. My man, what the happened? No any screw I have, so I am applying some more force. It's coming. Yeah, it's coming. Oh man, okay, I remove, and after that you need to remove this switch. Okay, with this tool is better for this. And I remove the board, so you need to understand how you can remove this. Okay, I forget this on the time, so now I remove the switch, and now you can remove board easily. Okay, leave man. Okay, now what was the happen to remove hardly? This is the double-sided tab. Okay, and I don't need to touch my gloves. Okay, because this is the double-sided tab. Okay, like the double-sided tab, and this is in the real time. This is the thermopad. Okay, to observe this transformer heat, okay, with this body, okay, and here we have some spark. So on the time we need to check, this is our gate drive resistor blasted, and this is the special case to solve. Okay, finally, in 1 hour and 10 minutes we just remove a main board. Okay, but you know the reason is what? One is the screw. Okay, now first of all we need to remove this connectors. This is the 6 mm, okay, remove this, and when we install, so we need to clean this from carbon, okay, but in this time I don't like, because the people are excited to troubleshoot a fault. Okay, but here we have a lot of carbon area, but before this I need to check the battery section, why the battery voltages this board. Okay, first we need to remove all these blasted components and clean all this blasted area. Okay. First I need to clean this with cotton swab and thinner. Okay, we are completing this. First we need a lot of carbon to remove. Oh man. Okay, we just temporarily clean our gloves and this thing, and now we need to remove all these blasted components, and we need to check all these 3 relay, and we need to remove this from board. Okay, so now I need to remove these components. First I need to know about the components pin. This is the completely damaged variator or SPD surge protection devices, but in the real time this is not the surge protection devices. This is just for damaging the board, because this is not the good thing to install in the main board. Here, look at, man, the reason of that, just they install SPDs, surge protection devices, in this board, and this is not the good thing. Okay, I am always receiving the boards. If we don't have this thing in the board, so I was can't receive this type of carbon. Okay, this is the reason of this carbon. Okay, so in my opinion, yeah, related my knowledge, I have a lot of this I use, but now this is my decision. I know about my electricity and my areas. This thing is not good to install again. Okay, sometimes I'm showing you. This is the result of this SPDs, the same direction, the same board, same company. Okay, just the reason of installing here SPDs. Okay, look at. And why? The reason is that this is the electronics engineers who design this board. Okay, this design is very perfectly designed because this area is related with electronics, and this is the electrical engineering expertise. Okay, because here are coming just electricity. Okay, so electrical engineers or electricity person know about this situation. Okay, and first I am electrical engineer, and after that I am electronics. Okay, so this thing is not good for this board. Who designed this? This is the mistake of him. Why? If you install here a lot of surge protection devices, then why you install here again? And if you receive the board, so you need to remove this from this board. Sometime I receive this in this conditions. If you install here, so please remove from here this SPDs, because in the parallel already install here SPDs. But this is the misengineering. Okay. Now I need to remove this. First I need to know about the fin. What the fin? Here is the fin. Okay, this is installed in this direction. Okay. This is the thing. Threw in the scrap. Now I need to remove this capacitor and check the capacitance, install again, but this is just install an input line and input neutral. Okay, first I need to boost my soldering station. And then come. It's okay. We need to clean this, and if I have a new, so I need to install a new, and I think I have. Okay. Now I need to remove this for best cleaning. And after that we need to do more works on parts, but first we need to clean the board. Okay, now we need to remove this relay, because we receive a lot of carbon, and now we need to confirm the relays. Okay. And for this relay I need to make a special thing for easy removing like this. I am always sharing with you desoldering tips. So I need to make a thing for this from these wires for easy removing. If you are interested in soldering and desoldering, so you need to watch this. Okay. What are you, huh? Yeah, man. Okay, live. لو ستولان إذا ساجدنا روحي جو هذا دي ما خير شكرا يا روحي شيت نخطر يا okay, first we need to twist. Okay, busy life, huh? One life of busy life. That was a life, you know? What life? Namana wait me bine lagole. Kasan mein next time zaye ko prayo ganta ki school kola school ratala ma chole mu. Kola vedo no churle do pravato no. Okay, and after that we need to set with this 4 pins. Okay, make a good angles like this. Okay, and after that I need to bend on this. Okay, because here we have a one pin of relay, and here we have a second, and this is the third, and this is the fourth. Okay, so now I need to cut this. Okay, and the best method is sorry, for solid wire. Okay, but now I have not a solid wire, so I am using just a flexible for this operation. Okay, now the time to remove the relay easily. Okay, first you need to attach with one pin just for temporary, and after that you need to solder properly with other pins. Okay, like that, and we have another one pin here. Sako ya karuday kay sarsi. Tayo bukro bagab shabdawas. Okay, now you need to keep one pin like that. Okay, number wise. Okay, and when you know about the all solder all melted at a time, so after that you need to apply a force to pull down. Okay, this is my first try on relay. Okay, and I can mistake. Okay, okay, finally I removed the relay. No any print was damaged. Okay, and this is the easy method, but in this time I have not a solid wire, so with the reason of this I spent some more time. Okay, after that you need to remove this wire again. Okay, now I need to attach with another relay. Okay, so this is rotate के हिसाब से भी बजे के नाम के दा लग टाइम दे गया सिम पत्नी rotate के हिसाब से ताड़े okay friend. Okay, sorry forward. Okay, now we need to attach with this another pin. Set your soldering station or soldering iron on 480 degrees. Okay, and you can remove every component like this method. Just you need to make angles. Okay, proper angles, and you need to solder this wire with the related component every pin. Okay, and you need to provide a heat at a time for all fins of the component, and after that, when you know the all solder is melted, after that you can apply a force to pull down for removing the component. Okay. But this is the very big soldering here attached, so I need some wet. Okay, and I need to provide some heat more here to melt this solder. Oh man, set again. And this is my first experience on relay, and I can remove a microcontroller, and I was remove a microcontroller of 64 pins with this method. Okay, as you can see, no any print damage. Okay, you can this with desoldering wick and desoldering pump, but it's a lot of time need to add. And this is my first try on relay. Okay, I was never try like this. So here we have a one relay more. Okay, we have one relay here. First I need to solder this, and the one method is that you can, but this is the very sensitive, like this and this. Okay, this and this, and slowly pull down this and this. Okay, and after that this and this, this and this and this. Okay, and after this again. Okay, but this is the dangerous method to remove. It's depending on a lot of experience. No any print eye damage. Okay, I am here showing you. I need to remove this extra solder from here to show you. Okay, this method is safe, but this method has required a lot of experience to remove. Okay, otherwise you can damage your PCB prints. Okay, first I need to clean. Okay, and now just check, no any print I damage. Okay, now look at on this side, no any print damage, but this method require a lot of experience. Okay, and now I need to clean this area properly. Okay, now I am just zooming in this area, and I need to set. Okay, the soldering and desoldering you can learn from this if you're not working on inverter. But if you are working on soldering, desoldering, so you can learn here, okay? Because here is a lot and every type of soldering and desoldering, okay? That's okay. Who are watching from my subscribers? Anyone from my subscriber are watching my this live stream? And here I need to remove this capacitor because I think I have a carbon. I am just removing the capacitor and setting the position again, okay? So just where, okay? The capacitor was fall down automatically. Yes. Now I am cleaning with confidence because I remove the capacitor. Okay. For best cleaning, because this board and this inverter is very expensive. This is the Growwatt multinational brand, global brand, and here are very expensive. And for this situation, the alcohol is best, but here is the alcohol bad. Okay. I have a little bit just for microcontroller, a few drops just for cleaning the microcontroller's pin. Okay, I have a few drops, approximately 15 to 20 drops. I have alcohol because here is the alcohol band. Okay. I need to clean the bottom side of this capacitor, and I have an area to clean, so I don't need to remove this. I need to just clean this from carbon, and I need to solder this area. We lost some copper, friends. Okay, now I need to desolder this solder mask, and I need to remove this spalted pin. This is spalted, so we need to apply a force first with user, but it's spalted. Yes, finally I remove, and maybe the print is damaged because the pin is faulted with the copper, but the print is a little bit already damaged. Okay, but I am not installing again here a component. Okay, because after that this SPDs can burn all the boards, all the main board again. Okay, so I'm just cleaning. Okay, and I am not installing here again. Okay, we need to clean from bottom side. Okay, I just clean for this one for best and final cleaning. Okay, after that we don't need to clean more. Okay, this is our final cleaning process. No any carbon we have more. Okay, now I need to clean this print. Yeah, I have some carbon. And now I'm showing you how I clean. Okay, this is the perfect clean. Okay, a little bit we have on the connectors. Okay, but this is already the conductor and the one conductor, but this is the good thing to clean. This area we need to specially clean from carbon. Okay, and after that here we lost some copper line or some tracks, so we need to here scratch or engrave some more area to solder this, and after that we need to apply a green mask on this. Okay, 7. No, inverter finished. 9, 9, 7. Okay, but I solder this, so no any copper area I have. Okay, so I have a green mask and ultraviolet LED to dry. Okay, but no need here because I solder this. Okay. Okay, now we need to clean, and the main fault is here. Okay, here. This is all the extra things we do with the fault 03 and fault 08. Okay, so now we need to clean this relay hole and check the relays, install the relays, and after that we need to troubleshoot the fault 03 and fault 08. Okay, the fault 03 as battery voltages as too high, and the fault 08 the bus voltages is too high. Bus voltages mean on the 450 voltages capacitor voltages. Okay, bus voltages. Okay, now I need to just clean this area. In this case we need to check this SMD components. Okay, now I just have a one for this relay. Okay, I clean this one relay and I clean another. Now I need to just clean this final relay holes. Okay, after that I need to clean this. Man, welcome to everyone. Okay, now I need to clean this. Don't clean like this and with the brush. Okay, this is the good method for cleaning. Okay, if you are using the brush, so you need to wash all the main board. Okay, if you need to clean a specific area, so you need to do this method, not brush. Okay, now I need to check this assembly components. Okay, I'm just setting my multimeter on continuity mode, and I need to zoom out a little bit. Okay. I receive some time in this condition. Here we have a PNP transistor. Okay, so first we need to clean the conformal coating from these pins and dust. We need to remove this with cotton swab. Okay, and thinner for better continuity. One thing we have here, I received some time damage, and this is the one Zener diode. Here we have to check, and here we have another one SMD diode, SMD Zener diode to check, and this relay operating transistors, we need to check this. Okay, and here we have another one Zener diode, and sometime I receive damage. Okay, like in this situation. Okay, now this is the PNP transistor. The marking code is W2F. Okay, 714. Okay, how you can check the N and the P and P assembly transistor like this, but you need to know about the marking code. You can check the W2F. Okay, this is the pin number 1, this is the pin number 2, this is the pin number 3. So keep your multimeter negative on pin number 1, keep your multimeter positive on pin number 2. Okay, and like this, keep your multimeter positive again on pin number 3. This transistor is okay with the multimeter. Okay, now we need to check this, and I don't know about this is the NPN or PNP, because here we have a lot of conformal coating. Okay, but we can judge this and we can find this what is the type of this transistor. So the transistor is PNP. Why? The pin number 1 is continuity mode up, and pin number 2 positive. So this is the PNP transistor. Okay, this is okay. Here we have a one Zener diode. Okay, this is okay. Here we have a one rectification diode. Okay, this is not just a rectification, this is the Scotty diode. Okay, Scotty mean the Scotty diode resistance is 265 to 286, 87. Okay, and this is our PNP transistor. So we need to check this. Okay, that's okay. Now here we have another one Zener diode. Keep the multimeter positive, probe on the Zener diode positive, and keep the negative on the Zener diode. Sorry. Keep the multimeter negative probe on the Zener diode positive, and keep the multimeter positive probe on the Zener diode negative pin. Okay, this is okay. Now here we have another transistor. Okay, continuity is okay. So it's mean this is PNP transistor, and we need a same continuity because this is the same number. Okay, it's okay. Here we have just to check one Zener diode more, and or this components is okay. This components is installed for relay while operating. Okay, so now we need to check our relay. Okay, our relays. So here we have a damaged body relay. Okay, but this is the good quality relay. I need to just check, but this is not able to install again. Okay, because this is the doubtful. Okay, if this okay, but I'm just checking this. Okay, and this is able, but first we need to check this. So how you can check the relay? Some types of relay. Okay, so here we have just like a switch. Not we have a normally close point. Okay, we have just a common, and we have just a normally open, mean NO. Normally open, NC mean normally closed. It's mean normally closed when you not operate this coil. So in normal condition, this circuit is closed with this pin, because this is called normally closed NC. Okay, normally closed circuit, and this pin you can call NO, normally open with this. When you operate this coil, so in this time this pin connect with this pin. Okay, and now I am just providing the power to this relay. Okay, first I need to keep my multimeter on this area. It's okay. And now here we have a relays. Okay, and now I'm just providing a power for operating the coils. Okay, I am providing 11 volts because in this board this relay operating with 11 volts, so I need to provide 11. Okay, first we need to check the common pin with the normally open. And this condition we don't need to any continuity. Okay, because this is the normally open pin, so here we have no any continuity. Okay, and here no any continuity. It's mean it's okay. And after that we need to check the relay coil resistance. It's okay, dependent on voltages. Okay, operating voltages on coil, up coil. Okay, now I need to provide a power to operate. Okay, and you need the operating sound. Okay, like tick tick. Okay, not like this. Okay, it's okay. And now we need to close this circuit, as you can see. Okay, and as you can hearing, if you are receiving, first you need to check your multimeter continuity. Okay, if you have here some 5 ohm or 3 ohm or 6 ohm, so you need to replace the relay. Okay, this relay is okay. Yeah, sound is good. Okay, and now you need to check continuity, and after that, okay, this two relays is able to use, and I'm just checking this. Okay, this is the doubtful because the body is damaged, they are prayed. Okay, first I need to check the normally open circuit. It's okay. Now I need to operate. Now I need to, okay, okay, but we cannot use. I am just broken. I want to broken this. Okay, or broke this, and I'm just checking the inside of this relay because this is the very good quality relay. In this condition, they're still working. Okay, I broke or broken outdoor. Wow, man, the doubtful, but first we don't know about this. Okay, this is the good relay. Now I am just keeping for this wire. Okay, this animal wire, isolate wire, just, and I am keeping this just for this copper. And after that we need to install a relays. Okay, now I have not this type of relay, so after the lunch I need to get a relays, and I need this board. I am keeping here on this direction, and now I need to do a lunch because this is the best time to do a lunch. Here is the 2:05 p.m. Okay, and I am feeling hungry. Okay, so this board I am keeping here, and I am just going for lunch, and after the lunch I am coming back live to solve this issue and second live. And the one thing is that if I want to cover this in one live stream, so I can, but this is not the legal thing. I need to off my Wi-Fi module, and they can provide me again to join this video, but this is not the legal. I am also liking the reality, so I am just ending the live. Okay, take care, see you approximately in 1 hour. Bye.